Question number 4. Hey. Are they parallel? Are they perpendicular? Are they coincident or do they coincide?
Where it comes from.
If they intersect, what is the point of intersection? So all 4 questions about the 4 situations that occur, and I've just picked 4 as an example. So the first 2 are really easy, parallel and perpendicular. So if parallel, I plus j will equal m lots of I plus 2j. Can you find an m value that has those 2 things equal to each other?
No.
No way.
Therefore not parallel. Is that okay? How do I prove something is perpendicular? Dot product equals 0. So d1 dot d2, if that equals 0, therefore it is perpendicular. So I've got 1 times 1 plus 1 times 2.
Wait, -1 times 2, right? Because is that a minus j? Oh, the bubbles were confusing, sorry.
So that equals 3.
Why don't you use lots of brackets and not like 1 is -1?
This here is my D, and that tells me the direction that this vector is travelling. Because I start at O, and I go to A, and then I go some part of D, and that gives me my P value. And my P value will be somewhere along that line, because it's A plus some proportion of D, and that's D.
Yeah.
So the direction that this is going in is vector D. It's going to go over 1 and up 1, over 1 and up 1, over 1 and up 1, over 1 and up 1. Whereas this one goes in a different direction, over 1 and up 2, over 1 and up 2.
Okay.
They're not parallel.
Yeah.
If they were perpendicular, their dot products would equal 0, so they're not perpendicular either.
Ooh, don't delete it yet.
If they are not parallel, can they coincide?
No, no.
When?
Maybe.
Wouldn't they have the same
No,
direction?
they
though?
can't. They have to be parallel.
They would have to be parallel.
Yeah.
Oh.
So they don't coincide, no, because not parallel. So do they intersect, and what is the point of the intersection? Do you need a third demonstration of getting 2 simultaneous equations, or are you comfortable about looking at my notes on that?
So can we should we check the first ones first, and then if not, we do the last one?
No, because, well, yeah, but they're going through the 4 situations.
Yeah.
Is that okay for question 4?
Yeah.
And we can see from my answers that there is your parallel, perpendicular, coincide, intersection point, -7, -6 was the intersection point. So it did actually intersect, and there is the workings out. Remember, you can put simultaneous equations straight on your calculator and save you doing that by hand simultaneous equations. Is that okay so far? Find the acute angle between